Why do so many people who try a bidet say they can never go back? After using the Bio Bidet BB-2000 Bliss for about a month, I finally understand why. Before buying the Bio Bidet BB-2000 Bliss, I had never owned a bidet. I'd traveled around Europe and even visited Japan, and I always found myself wondering, what do they know that we don't? Now, after using one myself, I finally understand. I've been using the BB-2000 for about 4 weeks now, and I wanted to share my experience, especially for anyone trying to decide which bidet to buy. That was easily the hardest part of the entire process for me. Let's start with the price. I spent quite a bit of time researching luxury bidets, keeping my budget somewhere between $300 and $600. I wasn't comfortable spending much more than that on something I'd never even owned before. Then again, if something makes you more comfortable every single day, maybe it ends up being worth every penny. Still, I decided $600 would be my limit. Now let's talk about the features that mattered most. The first was the automatic lid. Honestly, this wasn't very important to me. My wife actually prefers leaving the toilet lid up anyway, so this feature quickly dropped lower on my priority list. The second feature, and by far the most important one, was water pressure. After all, that's the entire purpose of owning a bidet. During my research, the BB-2000 consistently received praise for having some of the strongest water pressure available. It even includes a higher pressure setting, sometimes referred to as an enema wash, for anyone who prefers extra cleaning power. The nice thing is that everything is adjustable. You can always reduce the pressure until it's exactly where you want it. For me, having the strongest available pressure and then adjusting downward made much more sense than buying a unit that couldn't provide enough pressure in the first place. That feature alone was probably the biggest reason I chose the BB-2000, and I'm very happy that I did. Installation was also surprisingly simple. It took me about 20 minutes from start to finish. I replaced the original water supply hose during installation, and I was happy to find that everything I needed was already included in the box. No extra trips to the hardware store were necessary. Another decision I had to make was the color. My toilet is biscuit colored, and every toilet seat I've owned before matched that color. However, I wasn't interested in paying an extra $200 just for a matching finish, so I chose white instead. Honestly, it looks great. The bidet covers most of the toilet anyway, and unless your bathroom has extremely bright lighting, the color difference really isn't noticeable. I'd definitely choose white again. The Nightlight was another feature I wasn't sure I'd care about. The BB-2000 uses a soft blue light. I could honestly take it or leave it, but my wife really likes it, so I'll count that as a plus. At first, I wondered whether a bowl light would be better than the side light, but after using it, I actually prefer the side-mounted light. It provides plenty of visibility during nighttime trips without needing to turn on the bathroom lights. Now let's talk about the remote control. I saw several reviews criticizing it, but I honestly don't understand those complaints. Both my wife and I really like the remote. It's much easier than reaching beside the seat trying to find buttons. The remote has worked flawlessly during the 4 weeks we've owned it. One reviewer mentioned having to carefully aim the infrared signal at the seat, but that hasn't been my experience at all. We barely think about aiming it, and it responds every time. The remote is also a little larger than I expected, roughly 1.5 times the size of a deck of playing cards, but I actually like that because it's easier to hold and use. It mounts to the wall with adhesive, making it convenient to grab whenever you need it. Another complaint I saw was the lack of backlit buttons. That sounded like it might be an issue at first, but after just a few days of use, you naturally remember where the controls are. Combined with the blue Nightlight, it really isn't a problem. The dryer is another feature worth mentioning. You shouldn't expect it to perform like the powerful hand dryers you find in public restrooms. That's simply not what it's designed to do. The airflow comes mainly from the left side while seated, but I found it provides plenty of air for my needs. For reference, I'm about 6 feet tall and 170 pounds. Someone significantly larger might have a different experience, but for me, it works well. In reality, I still use 1 or 2 sheets of toilet paper to pat dry afterward, which is probably what most people end up doing anyway. Even then, you're using far less toilet paper than you would without a bidet. As for criticisms, I honestly don't have many. Installation was easy, the remote works well, the overall appearance is excellent, and every feature performs as expected. The deodorizer works fine, although I wouldn't call it exceptional. The only thing I'd mention is that this feels like a relatively compact seat. If you're over 250 pounds or around 6'4" or taller, you may want to spend some extra time researching larger bidet seats before making a purchase. As someone completely new to bidets, I spent countless hours comparing different models and trying to determine which features were actually worth paying for. My final decision came down to the Bio Bidet BB2000 and a similarly priced Toto model. I looked at several other brands along the way, but eventually narrowed it down to those two. In the end, I chose the Bio Bidet because I was convinced it offered some of the strongest water pressure in the industry. Whether that's objectively true or not, I can say that water pressure was the deciding factor for me, and after 4 weeks of daily use, I've been extremely satisfied with my choice. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.